Alright, what up guys? First off, HowSwap, take apart your Xbox HowSwap, you're going to need a T10 Torx, screwdriver, a little like tool for glasses or something, or just like a little screwdriver. Alright, first off, you're just going to want to take the faceplate off, strip it off, put it somewhere you know it's going to be. Then you're going to want to take all this off. Alright, now that you've done that, you're going to see these little cranks, those little things. You're going to want to take your thumb or something, pop them up, and then pull it apart. And you're going to have a bunch of little holes back here. You're going to have 5 over here, 2 over here. You're going to take that little eyeglass tool, just pop in the pins. Alright, once you have those two, just pop the rest. Alright, and then just pull it off. Put it somewhere you know where it's going to be at. Here's where the T10 comes in. You're gonna unscrew this one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Alright, you should have 6 of them. Just put them somewhere you know where they're going to be at. Alright, now flip your Xbox over and just pull this off. You're going to want to take the drive, just pull it up. It should come off. Alright, just like this. Take these back here, and just pull them out. Make sure you don't break anything. Side by side. Now, just place this somewhere. Alright, now for this. You're going to want to take this. You're going to want to take the screwdriver, undo the screws right on the back. Make sure you don't lose them. I've lost them many times. Alright. Then you're going to want to do this. Take this like this. Hold the black things right here. Pull up. Take the other black side little things and just pull it off. You have a sticker here. You're just going to pull that off. These are going to be attached. Just hold this like this. Take them. Twist them apart like that, and put that somewhere. I should have these. Just take this, put it back on there, and just twist those back together, like so. Take this back, and make sure you don't lose that. Take this, plug it back in, Alright, once that is done, your Xbox is now ready to hot swap.